Alright, so today I want to demo Detawk. Detawk is a German language app that is built on top of the FSI German course. If you have used FSI German course, you know it has two giant PDF files and a bunch of audio tabs associated with it. If you want to hear to a word or a sentence again, you have to manually rewind the tab. Personally, I find that very cumbersome. So for that reason, I built this application Detawk to help me with my German language journey. Currently, this app has only one section available right now, and the rest of the section is only one unit right now. The rest of the units will be added pretty soon. But for the demo purposes, unit 1 is more than enough. So we're going to lead with that. If you come out to the unit 1, we have different sections in it. And we're going to walk through each of them one by one. We're going to first start with the basic sentences. Okay, so before I start talking about the basic sentences, one thing you should know about this app is that every word and every sentence has two audios associated with it. One is like the normal audio, the normal speed. The other one is slow, so you can perfect your pronunciation. To hear the normal audio, you can press on the blue button.
Guten Morgen, Herr Becker.
And to hear the slow audio, you can press on the yellow button.
Guten Morgen, Herr Becker.
Yeah. Here are the basic sentences. To practice them with flashcards, you can come over here and click on this button. Here on the top left corner, you can see 1 out of 12. This 12 means the 12 different subsections in the basic sentences. Here you can see this has 12 different subsections. And to navigate between these different subsections, you can press the right or left arrow. To navigate within that section, you can always use the top and bottom button. And to flip the card, you just have to press space.
Guten Morgen, Herr Becker.
On flipping the card, it's going to automatically play the normal audio. But if you want to rehear to the normal audio, you can press N.
Guten Morgen, Herr Becker.
Or if you want to hear to the slow audio, you can press S.
Guten Morgen, Herr Becker.
These controls are the same throughout all the different flashcards. Yeah, let's move on to the next section. That is notes on pronunciation. Here we have the same normal and slow audio associated with every word.
Das.
Same in the notes and grammar.
Der Wein ist nicht gut. Der Wein ist nicht gut.
Yeah. Next, we're going to move to the substitution drill. In substitution drill, we have a template sentence in which we have to replace a word, use the correct article, and change any grammatical structure for it. So to hear to the template sentence, you can press the blue button again.
Der Flughafen ist dort.
And to substitute the word in it, you just have to click on it, and it's going to change. And it's going to substitute that word and that template sentence. And you can again hear to it with the substitution.
Die Zigarren sind dort.
The same is true for all these drills. And if you want to see what's the correct answer for that, you can kind of like hover on the hint. And here in the right side, it's going to show you the correct answer. You can also practice this with flashcards. One thing that is unique to substitution drill is when you change from one card to the next, it's going to automatically play the hint.
Kaffee. Tee.
And with the space, it's going to substitute it.
Der Tee ist dort.
And you can hear to it again with the N or with the S.
Der Tee ist dort. Der Tee ist dort.
I'm going to explain these buttons in the next section. So let's move on to the next one. That is the variation drill. One thing that you have to notice is that some of the drills have different groups. Like this is the base case, then we have the same drill for das Hotel, and then the same drill for die Botschaft and das Restaurant and die Bahnhof and whatever. So these are the different groups, and to change between those different groups, you can press on this button, and it's going to navigate to that group. Or you can also use the shortcuts like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more thing, if you are in the same drill item and you are going through the items, you don't have to manually change the group. As you move from one group to the other, it's automatically going to change it, so you don't have to manually do that. Now we are in das Hotel. Now we are in die Botschaft. Now in das Restaurant. And now in der Bahnhof. But if you want to manually drill just one group, you can always just navigate to it with the click of a button. On the space, it's going to
Da ist die Botschaft.
show you the correct answer. Next, we move on to the translation drill. Translation drill is just English, and you just have to translate that to German.
Ist das die Botschaft?
It's just simple like that. There's nothing complicated with this one. And a response drill.
Wo ist Herr Becker?
It's going to ask you a question in German, and you have to respond to it in German as well. When you change the card, it's going to automatically play the audio associated with the question.
Ist das Frau Kunze?
And by showing and by flipping the card, you can hear the audio of and by flipping the card, you can hear the audio of the answer.
Nein, das ist nicht Frau Kunze.
And then we have the conversation practice. This does not have any drills associated with it. Then we have the situations, and then we have the finder list, which lists all the vocabulary that is important is listed here. And again, you can listen to the normal or the slow audio.
Langsam. Langsam.
Yeah. Currently, as I said, there's only one unit available right now. The rest will be added pretty soon. You can sign up for this app for free. You don't have to enter any credit card information. The first unit is partially free with no obligation. You don't have to pay you don't have to enter your credit card information or whatever. You can use the some part of the first unit for free. And if you want to subscribe to it, or if you want to support this project, you can come over here and subscribe to it for either €5 a month or €50 per year, and that's going to help me with maintaining this app and working on it. If you have any feedback, you can come over here and enter your feedback here. And to see the roadmap, you can come over to Detawk.userjot.com/roadmap. Here you can see all the different features I'm planning to implement. Also, if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me with this email, and I will respond to you pretty soon. I hope you like this demo. What are you waiting for? Sign up for it, use it, and if you have any questions, if you have anything you want to say to me, don't hesitate to reach out to me through my email or submitting feature requests here in UserJot. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the app. See you on the inside. Take care. Bye.